Hey everybody, we're back for another afternoon of pin trading. This time we're at Animal Kingdom. Here's what we're starting with. Let's go see what's out there.
Trivia on Toy Story. Ben, do you?
All right, everybody, that does it for our afternoon of pin trading here at Animal Kingdom. We're walking away with two of the Wave Bs. We got the Piglet Ear Hat and the Jessie parking sign. That one's new to us. I love the parking signs. I think they're all so adorable. I can't wait for more of these pins to come out. Hope you guys had fun watching. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.